Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video we are going to show our study room which we use for the 2 years 11th and 12th. It'll be a comprehensive study room tour as was requested by one of you. So let's get started. Yeah, so this is basically how our study room looks like. So let me take you to every corner of the room. So here when we enter, this is our wardrobe where we keep our clothes. The next area is our study tables and the area to keep our books. So here is a PC, and above that is my books, and then here used to be a laptop, and above that are Rajesh books. The laptop right now is not there because Rajesh has gone to Ames and he has taken the laptop with him. Over here you can see some basic stationery and a periodic table stuck that helped us to memorize a periodic table. And in this cupboard you can see some basic sort of stationery and some of our important files. Moving here is the balcony, and there's a pretty nice and refreshing view outside. And these are the beds. Those are the areas where we keep the books that are not currently in use. And this area was the place where we stuck our schedules for the week or for the month or for the day, and we used to follow that particular schedule. It used to keep us motivated. And above there you can see that there's a bunch of trophies that we have got over our course of education. And there is the set of medals that we have got for our various achievements. And this is the board where we teach you guys from. And that's it about the study room. Please do like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.